The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Yeah. Comrades, what we are gonna do? What we are gonna do if we get a finger upon this country, or even a fingernail? Yeah, because guess what? That country has slip out of it, and you know. Right now, Andrew lead by 1,000 miles. Guess what I say? Before I go any further, me is a born PNP. Me born come see my family them a PNP. Cause me know there's some little diehard idiot when I pre the levels of this country and this runnings here. I go try jump down my throat, but yeah, nothing can go down my throat unless I food, you see me? You see what I say? Watch out now. Comrades, you no see how Andrew Wellness a go on. You no see how the man a deal with the thing. And let's not forget about the health inspector. You no see how the man a deal with the thing. You no see how the country slip out of it. What we are going to do about this? Because right now, Andrew Wellness sit down on Blue Mountain top. I sip tea. And we get down a Frenchman cove. I swim if you try to get out of the water, if you try to get on level grounds. This thing ain't look good. Over the years, I don't know where PNP I do. I don't know where them did do before my time. I don't know what them did do before my time. But you can't look at where them did do because of young people are run politics right now. We need a new leader, we need a young leader. We need a leader we do things. You see what I say? You know, see Andrew deal with the thing. Who in a PNP can compete against Andrew Wellness? You just take a look on that. Who in a PNP can run against this man where I do so much things where I interact with the young people, them where the young people they love and the young people they have them vote as ID and them a vote and them a vote for bro God. Yo, this thing are gone. PNP come like a long time days. Me a PNP boy come like a PNP I promise you fall and goat and you know say pitting no one go bush. A modern time a tablet and them something they pitting use pitting stop go bush, goat stop tie out. You understand me I say? Further on nobody no want no fall pen. Nobody no want a fall pen because you want a fall pen is a thinking sitting and right now the house them they too close. Because the place develops, so nobody no want a full pen near them because full pen think. When you tell two nice line, no man win the election. What happen? Right now this thing are gone, man. The thing gone. You see what I say? Oh, we are going back. We need a new leader in a PNP, in the party. You see what I say? We need something where we can really vote for. Because right now we not have a vote for. Right now, for the last 2 or 3 or 4 months or over the last year, we lose about 70% of PNP already. So if we not see that, we're not blind. Everybody has switched over. I bro gotta run things. What happen? We can't get them.
Tell to lie. Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect. My name is seriousskilla. I am here again. Alright, look, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to tell you what I think about some of the things that this person has said in the video that I just presented to you. I have another video that I'm going to present to you. I'm going to leave that video with you, but before I leave that video with you, I'm going to tell you what I think about some of the things that this person had said in this video that I just presented to you. Alright? Now, when it comes on to election or politics or them things in Jamaica, it's all about JLP and PNP. Right? JLP is Jamaica Labour Party, PNP is People's National Party. You get what I'm saying to you? And the leader of Jamaica Labour Party is Mr. Andrew Holness, and the leader of People's National Party is Mr. Peter Phillips. You see what I'm saying to you? Some of the things that this person had said, I think he's right. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I'm not saying everything that this person had said is right, but some of the things, you see me? You know, like all the part when him say, tell two lie, or tell two lies, no, I don't support that part, none at all. You understand me? No, I don't support that part. But however, still viewers and subscribers, you know, this person said some things and I think he's right about some of the things that he had said, you see me? But that's just my opinion. You know, I'm just telling you what I think. Now, according to some of the things that this person has said in this video, I get the understanding that he's saying that the People's National Party need a new leader. You understand? And according to some of the things that this person had said in this video, I get the understanding that he's also saying that Mr. Andrew Holness is leading. So when him say leading, I'm thinking to myself, like, you know, he's basically saying that you know, Mr. Andrew Holness is doing a good job running the country. That's how I look at it. You understand me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, me don't really and truly want to say not much about politics and them things. Because I don't want anyone to say, Dancehall skilla, you this, and Dancehall skilla, you that. You see me? No, me don't really want to get in that the entanglings there. Alright, but viewers and subscribers, really though, I present that video to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that he had said. You see me? You can let me know if you believe some of the things that he had said. You can let me know if you think some of the things that he had said, if it is correct or if it is not correct. And you can also let me know what you think about what's going on in the country of Jamaica when it comes down to JLP and PNP. You understand? So let me know what you think. Alright? Now right about now, I'm going to move on to another video right about now. And this video I'm going to leave with you. This video is going to show the Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Bounty Killer, talking about the Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Ninja Man. You see what I'm saying to you? And Bounty Killer also said some things that gave me the understanding that Ninja Man helped Shabba ranks as well. You see what I'm saying to you? Viewers and subscribers, Bounty Killer said some interesting things in this video, and I'm going to leave this video with you so that you can hear for yourself some of the things that Bounty Killer had said. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah, you can let me know what you think about some of the things that he had said in this video, and I want to say big up and respect to Bounty Killer as well. You see me? Now, there might be a few harsh languages in this video as well, alright? So viewer discretion is advised, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla. Wanna big up on yourself?
Ninja Man help me physically. Can't come vice. Boy, no run. He might the only one that me get the combo with. You understand? When we need the help in the young days, and Ninja Man give it. And when Jamie say vice with me, never think twice. I'm at the first big arts come say, you wicked youth. And when Ninja Man tell me that, no.
Oh, Ninja.
Ninja Man.
Yeah. No.
Out of all of the man I look up to and idolize, Ninja Man are the man. Okay?
By the way,
Ninja.
Bounty Killer. Out of all of the man them me look up to and idolize. Alright, so like when you say Ninja Man, a killer tell me.
Yeah, Ninja Man help with.
Brother, when them man up, me can call name, but me not go do that. But me have some bunch of artists. Them a talk about me behind my back, when Killer don't even know say I look for the artist. I say generally know say I want to sing. And the man said, brother, you sing a word and you hit. Imagine when you sing a line. Imagine when you sing a verse. Imagine when you sing a chorus, a whole song.
Alright, this one advice new gun Ninja Man. Some know Ninja Man, you know.
General.
Come from foreign, you know. Them time they have big tape around the place, you know. And the man coming down big tape. And we want to hear Ninja Man reaction. So we go up there and say, Ninja Man, I look at you to have a bad tune as a plate. And you know, not a problem. Because enough big artists boy that want to give one rally around that they know and play the YouTube and man put it in here so when the man hear blood clot new gun, you know the man hear the mash up in tape. From this so we extra rating or we see him going over we sang him.
Yeah.
Then when Jamie say record with him, you remember Walter PPK Saturday Night Special and Unfair. Fear. Men, me get me foot. That's the last bad song that Ninja record, you know. That song there, the last real 10 Gorgon front teeth, whole teeth. The real blood clot Ninja where boy can't walk near, you know. Just listening to the song there, you him put out him blood clot hard on it, you know. Because I convinced I want bad boy and I sing with. Sometimes I look at you even know how bad me is. And when me grow further and now come listen back how Ninja go hard promise and me realize say, yo, you did bad youth. Yeah. You're convinced that, you know. You did and go hard by your song because boy.
Ninja that man that
So no one can go around Ninja. And Ninja help Shabba too. Alright? Yeah. And Ninja Man money van. The eagle eye pum pum, the eagle eye pum pum. And Ninja Man rhythm. Alright, I put on the rhythm there and Ninja Man put out the production the pan Jara label. Me want you take your protection, don't you not ready for baby. Anyway, take it. You quote the melody, I believe in children and our future.
Yeah man,
no really Ninja Man. Then the Ninja Man money make that production there. Don't I see you them come vice, you know. We ain't Smith studio that, you know. Around there, as a little youth, I watch them, you know. Cause two black that from here, you know. And that's true, they're the first new voice, you know. Cause this is the first me voice new gun, you know. If you know you want fast new gun. On the rhythm with them voice, the buddies like, they don't know when you say them on top on the top. And my rhythm that Wayne Smith put out that rhythm there, you know. That's about 90 before me go up at Jammies. And when me go at Jammies, got voice it back man put on it, but really originally top secret the rhythm name. Wayne Smith first voice me before me come out to see you. I'm so rest in peace. Yeah, and Tibel, my little son, and my son now.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.